All right, here is some beer cheese pizza that we just cooked on the big green egg. And I'm going to show you how we made it all right here. All right, we got the beer cheese pizza right here. Got the pizza sauce. Kind of thickened up here. I'll show you how we made this. I'm going to start off with about 2 tablespoons of some butter here. And a couple tablespoons of flour. Mix that up, cook that for a minute or so. I got some heavy whipping cream. You could use milk or half and half if you want. Just going to pour a little bit. I'm not measuring, but fourth, maybe a half a cup, I guess. Mix that in here. Keep stirring it the whole time. Keep an eye on these onions that I got grilling over here. And we got some going with some Miller High Life here today. And we're just going to pour about a fourth to a half a can. Just a little bit in there. Mix that on in. Yeah, a little beer cheese coming up. Just going to add some seasoned salt to it. And a little habanero. You can add cayenne pepper, or you can just leave this out if you don't want any heat. Just a small pinch will do. Maybe a little more than a pinch for me. Mix that on in. And I got some mozzarella cheese. I've just blocked up. We're going to throw about a cup of that in here. And we're going to go ahead and also just take a block of some Colby Jack. Cheese right there, and we're going to go ahead and put this in. There's no exact measurements. We're just going to add what we want. What we want.
The cheesier, the better.
Yeah.
Even though I can't eat it. Right there. There you go. Just don't put any of these in there. Here, I'll take this out. Bite a piece.
Now we're going to let that melt and thicken up. Turn that cheese, get it all melted in there. Get that to thicken up a little bit. That beer or cheese sauce. Look at that! Wow. And then we've cooked some bacon on the Vivore as well as some sausage. So we're going to go ahead and assemble this. We just got some pre-done crust here.
Are you getting pepperonis too on it?
Yeah, we'll add some of that as well. Go ahead and just kind of get this beer cheese all up on here.
Why don't you just pour it? There you go.
Save enough for about 2 pizzas. Wow, you can smell that cheese.
I'm smoking.
Got some caramelized onions we're going to go ahead and put on.
That's good.
Got someone trying it as a dip. How is it?
Oh, good.
Beer cheese dip right there. Got some chips going on. Now we're going to go ahead and add the sausage.
Some good old lime chips up in there.
You could put some brats on here too, but no one wanted those. Yeah, I was going to.
That would be ew.
Yeah, I think it'd be good, but they said no. A little bit of bacon.
Even though I'm not eating it, it just sounded at you.
I did a video, it's been a while ago, on the Pit Barrel you can look up, where I made a beer cheese pizza. Long time ago.
It was like a barbecue one.
Yeah, I did not look at it, so I made sure I didn't do exactly the same, but it may be pretty close.
Our son said the cheese is good.
Yeah.
He's the one that was using it as a dip.
Then I had some pepperonis as well. You can really add whatever you want on here. Let Dolores fix it up a little bit.
And you're putting on the what?
The big green egg. And we'll just top it with a little more.
There you go.
Nice.
Really good job.
Gorgeous. Hey. Yeah.
And there we go. Wow. Looking fantastic. Look at the second pizza Dolores did. She added some red pepper flakes and the caramelized onions on top. All right, there we go. This is the one that Dolores put together. This is the one I put together. And they were both cooked on the big green egg for about 15 minutes.
They're made different. This one has pepperonis and extra cheese on it.
Mm-hmm.
And this one doesn't have any pepperonis, but it has extra beer cheese.
Extra beer cheese.
And more of the toppings.
Yeah. Which one should I try? I'll go with this one right here.
Try both.
Try both? All right. Take a look at that. Phenomenal. Wow.
That beer cheese I put on my steak for tomorrow.
That's good. Really, really good. Let's go ahead and try. Look at those.
Delicious.
Dolores is there. They got the grilled onions right on top.
Looks pretty. Ooh. What'd you think?
Yours tastes more like a sausage pizza.
Yeah.
That beer cheese though.
With the sausage.
Highly recommend this.
Yeah.
Looks outstanding. All right. Little beer cheese pizza on the big green egg, as I said before. Outstanding. And there'll be some more big green egg videos up here. I'll see y'all guys soon.